Hello there everybody, it is Prime Jackass here, and today we're playing some Black Ops 2 Demolition. And since we haven't been recording the series in a while, we're gonna post this video and see how it does. So let's get into this. I got it! I got it! I'm gonna try the M27. Or are you gonna snipe? If you snipe, I'll snipe. Oh, am I gonna hide behind a red shield again? Are we gonna do this? Oh, you don't have your... Okay, hold on. I feel really bad right now, dude. This guy made me feel really good, actually. Because we both were really bad. And he was aiming 5 feet above my head, shooting me. It only hit one out of 20,000 bullets. I planted A, so let's just guard A. No, go on the other side of A over there. And guard it. Oh. I saw that. Nothing, because I know that it's not possible for you. Yes, I got my Guardian. Oh, I got all my streaks, dude. My Guardian, my Lightning Strike, and Sentry Gun from 1 kill. But I detonated the bomb also. I'll wait for next round to use that, dude. 2 and 1, and I got all my streaks. Woohoo! Oh, I'm right behind you. He's up in the... Oh, shit. Okay, yep, he's up in the little tower thing, so watch out for that. Are you going? Are you at B right now? Or are you trying to get to B? You're at their spawn? You mean you're in the engine room area? Not at their spawn? I'm planning B right now. Oh shit, oh shit. I like how none of our teammates are at B when we're supposed to cover B. It's just freaking great. Yep, see, only if our teammates actually knew how to guard the bomb, that'd be great. Fuck you, teammates. Fucking little shits, dude. Okay, if I get the bomb down, you have to, help me guard it. Because our teammates don't know how to guard. I got you. Don't worry. I killed that guy for you. I'll just swoop in here for the plant. Okay, now let's defend. Let's defend. Shit, how do I load my gun in the middle of a gunfight? I hate when that happens. No, you can stay in here, buddy. Is that why it's called Bouncing Betty? Because it bounces? My grenade keeps on, exploding. I'm right next to you, though. Yeah. the blue arrow, duh. Noise. Just keep on making sure. Yes. Okay, what bomb do you want them to get and then destroy the other one? What bomb do you want that? Because I kept all my streaks for next round, so I have my lightning strike, my guardian, and my sentry gun right now. Okay. Okay, I think which one do you think is easier to guard? Would B be easier to guard because it also has like the freaking turret room aiming on the gun, the bomb? I'm gonna save my lightning strike in case like it's like desperate measures and we need to get over there quickly, though. I don't know. I was asking you and you didn't give me an answer. Do you want them? Okay, which one do you want? Would you rather have them destroy and then we go camp out? B, really? I think A is harder to like camp out at because it's so close and B's like more open. I'm pretty sure. Because I have a guardian and a sentry gun, so let's just stay together. There's two people at the back of their spawn. Ooh. I just walked back and there's two people at their spawn. Yeah, let's go for B. I'm not gonna put my sentry gun down until we have like A. Unless we have one, the bomb's like freaking blown up, then I'm not gonna put it down yet. 9-9, dude. I'm doing so horrible right now. Fuck, where was he? Did you say LMG phase? Boop. So, let's let them get B. And let's start playing this shit down. Where should the guardian go? No, like, where at, though? Where should I put my sentry gun at? How about right here? Yeah, I think that's pretty perfect. Look at my setup. Come over here real quick. How's that? Maybe I'll have my sentry gun facing a little bit more this way. Just so we can aim a little bit more to the right. Are you fucking kidding me, dude? Why did they make grenades that just fucking one-shot everything that's on the ground, dude? They threw fucking EMP and destroyed both my stuff. He's not playing it, it's alright. They're not playing it, watch this. They're not playing it, watch this. Oh, they already playing it. Wow, thanks for that one kill once. What the fuck, dude? Seriously, don't get this game. Like, how is it that retarded? Why are you that gay to be walking around with a freaking grenade launcher, dude? Like, what the fuck, dude? You must got dropped and fucking kicked in the head when you were a baby, dude. I don't get what the fuck's going on with this kid. Over here. Thanks for guarding me, teammates. Fuck you guys. Fucking don't guard me for shit. Yeah, our teammates aren't doing shit right now. That is a fucking faggot, dude. Dude, is your friend on the other team right now? What a bitch. Well, that's amazing, dude. Only if that happened in real life where you couldn't get killed by grenades or bullets or anything, dude. That'd be amazing. But no, it's only Call of Duty logic. Fuck. No, non-Call of Duty. I don't know if you understand that, but non-Call of Duty or bullets either. You don't get killed by bullets or grenades in Call of Duty. It's pretty cool. Where are they camping at? Like, what side and stuff? Yeah, it didn't help out at all. So, fuck this. Just gonna do some suicide right now. Okay, I only got one suicide in. That's amazing. No. I should try this lost clip. No. Why do you think it's a lead video? Just because your bitch ass friend Jordan bitch is like fucking just using grenade launcher and shit. Trick shotting classes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 trick shotting classes. No, you're retarded. No. You have to have the map. Wait, so they don't have it either, Lucian? Hey, let's snipe this time, Lucian. Let's snipe this time. You're not good, period, dude. Yeah, it did. Did you drop a sniper? Because I didn't pick my sniping class. Oh, thanks for saying that 5 minutes late, dude. Dude, fucking shit on, dude. You're gonna watch my video that I just shit on 2 people so badly. It was crazy. So I missed my first. That was my first shot. I turned around on this kid, shotgunned him, and then freaking sniped the other kid. Shit, reload. I had to reload. No. Oh my gosh, dude! You're gonna watch the best no-scope ever in my video also, when it goes up. Oh my gosh, dude. Did you actually do it? Prone, and then jump up. Did I do it? It actually works still. I watched Vanos do this. Hold on. Let's see if we can get this enemy to look at us when we do this. I want to see it again. Really? It feels like I'm... Let's just go. And the hit marker of a lifetime right here, buddy. Oh, that was so close, dude. Yeah, push it in harder. Nice joke, dude. I'm playing on 13 right now. I'm playing on 13 sensitivity, so I could spin. Wait, do we have to plant the bomb? Oh shit. Yeah, we do. We have to plant the bomb. But if you want to, I just got shit on. What? Yeah. I'll try it also. Okay. Sorry for this video now, guys. 360. I still killed someone with it. I turned on the guy that killed you, Lucio, and I sniped him. This is so hard. Yeah, I'm gonna try playing this whole game. So sorry about this, guys. You might... Lucian, you're gonna see this in my video, and it's gonna just, like, be, like, so slow and all that. I know. Ugh. Kill him. Oh, he's already dead. $20 kills? That's not because I'm sniping or anything, right? Yeah. Okay, let's oh fuck, dude. He just Kobe'd the shit out of me. Why you such a bitch, dude? Dude, Lucian, camp over here. Camp in the little bleachers. Camp in the bleachers, dude. It's so fun. There's a guy playing here now. Oh! Cold lad. You already said this before, dumb back. Dude, Lucian. Yeah, you don't say congrats if oh my gosh, dude. Fucking give me the medal for best sniper ever right now, dude. You don't say congrats for like saying, oh, congrats, you fucked my sister. You don't like say that. It's like, oh, I hit my sister, but congrats for fucking my sister. Like, you're not gonna be happy. Of course, you're still gonna be mad. Well, yeah, in your dreams, but reality, she just said no. I'm not fucking in phase, dude. Okay, he's planning. Nice joke. Oh shit. Oh, turned on, bitch. Hey, go for it. Hey, go for it. Dude, my shots are on her now. My shots are on her now. I'm a sniping god. Oh my gosh. Can't stop, won't stop the beat. He's right there. Oh. I got 16 kills. There's me right there, dude. was planning. I was trying to plan, yeah. Can't stop, won't stop, can't stop the beat, can't stop, won't stop the beat. Really, you're kidding me with the red shield, bro? Why are you such a fucking bitch, dude? You're like a Lucian, dude. I don't fucking get it, dude. Why are you such a bitch? This kid, dude, he's freaking just hiding there behind a freaking right shield. I don't fucking get this shit. No! I'm not talking about your bitch ass. I'm talking about the other bitch over here, dude. I'm like sniping, he just freaking pops up. He's hiding behind his right shield with a freaking like heavy machine gun, like L set. That's fucking and shit. It's fucking retarded. Bitch. Oh. Oh, dude, just fucking give up, kid. Just fucking, like, stop. He's fucking lost every sniper battle that I've ever done against him. And I thought I had my shotgun out, but I had my sniper and I tried no-scoping a guy. I was like, okay. Just shut the fuck up. I almost killed this kid right here. I thought I had my shotgun out, but that was my sniper. I was like, oh, boop, no scope. I was like, oh, wrong gun. Okay, I think I'm going to end the video because those 2 matches of it that I did. Okay, guys, that's been the video. Hope you enjoy. Give me likes and thumbs up and stuff. So, yeah. See you later.